Hello guys, my name's Declan and I'm here to ask, because I'm starting up my own YouTube, I'm asking if you could subscribe and I will be publishing gaming videos and everything like that, and I'm hoping you would find something you would like, and you know, if there's something else you could probably just leave a comment and I'll probably be able to do it. I'm going to start today with an unboxing video of my roxio, which I've got right here. HD Pro. And so yeah, let's get on with that. Right, hello guys, this is obviously, if you watched before that, you know, this is me unwrapping my Game Capture HD Pro by roxio. Right, got my knife here. Whoa. 1 second. There you go. I'll put that to the side. Don't cut myself. Unboxed. Smells good. Smells new. Yep. This is what you get inside it. Capture box, cables, and then there's more, hopefully. Panel, instructions, we don't need those, and software. And these straps to the side. Here's a quick tutorial on how to do it, really. Got everything set up. Right, so you got the box. Not on one yet. Getting this undone. I also bought this. This is what I bought as well as a thing. Got my HDMI cables. I thought why, instead of using so many component cables, use HDMI. That's why I also bought the better one, because you can live stream. If you don't know about this one, I'll put a link in the description and in the site. It's quite good. I've always heard good things about it. Got my cable here, my Xbox One, HDMI. This side, you plug it in here. This is the input. Hopefully. Maybe. Yes. Then this side, your output, and I've got a special one. This is the one my dad recommended me get for TV. And there's the output. You see, simple as that. Instead of using all these component cables, used to do HDMI cable. It's much cheaper as well. And then I'll get this one out because I'm not actually using it right now. Then obviously once this is undone, so bear with me. Okay. Plug it in here. That's easier enough. Alright, so plug it in here. Voila. Gold plated as well. No fancy. And here's my laptop. Very old, yes. But it's only to record. Then you get a USB port, which is here. I want to use this one. Middle one. Here. Then you... Let's make sure this is correct. Don't want to break it. Voila. Thank you. And I'll also be doing a quick little bit about the software.